Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a very nice day. In this video, I'm gonna tell you that how old do you have to be to use ChatGPT. So basically, ChatGPT is not meant for children under 13, but it also requires that children who are aged between 13 to 18 should obtain parental consent before using ChatGPT. Let's type here in the ChatGPT. How old I need to be to use ChatGPT. Now here you can see there is no specific age requirement to use ChatGPT, but it also recommended for users aged 13 and above, and if anyone who is under 13, they may need parental consent as outlined in OpenAI's users policies. So guys, those who are under 13 should take parental consent to use ChatGPT. So guys, hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe Tech Team channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.